Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making sweet and sour pork. For our ingredients, we're going to marinate our pork. You need onion, garlic, ginger, corn, starch, and soy sauce. For your sweet and sour sauce, you need white sugar, apple cider vinegar, apple juice, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, corn starch, and water. For your stir fry, you need oil, garlic clove, ginger, onion, bell pepper, green and red, and pineapple. You want to mix your pork with your marinade, and you want to marinate it for at least 18 to 24 hours. Once your pork is done marinating, we're going to separate it from the onions and the ginger. You want to mix your cornstarch into your pork and leave it for 5 minutes. At first, it will be white from the corn starch, but after a while, it will sweat and make the cornstarch partially wet and will be sticky. This is the key for coating. Now, in a shallow bowl, you want to put your cornstarch. Then you want to add your pork to it, and you want to dredge your pork again. Then you want to put it on a plate, and you want to reserve your cornstarch in case you need to dust it again just prior to frying. You want to heat your oil to about 350 degrees. You want to cook your pork in batches. You don't want to overcrowd your pot. You want to cook it until it is golden brown. Now for your stir fry, you're going to heat up your garlic, your ginger, and your onions, and your peppers. You're going to stir fry your vegetables for about 2 minutes. Now you want to make your sweet and sour sauce. Your pineapple juice. Your Worcestershire sauce. You want to add your vinegar, your soy sauce, your ketchup, your oyster sauce, and you want to mix well. And here you want to add your cornstarch, and you want to cook it until it thickens. Then you want to add the sauce in the pot and let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer for about 2 minutes and it thickens, then you want to toss your pork into your mixture quickly. We have made sweet and sour pork. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.